So back here on the sheet, we're just going to fill in these 2 boxes here, and nice and easy, we just are going to connect with what we already have, and then we're just going to match exactly what we see. Let's begin. So let's come right here. So attach it with a slip stitch. Grab your next top of that box, the 2 loops, and the connection. Just follow it straight across, get the back loop only. Pull through your 2s all the way. Okay, so vertical, 1 vertical, and a connection in the back loop. Okay, so climb up this box. I'll be right back in a moment. We know that this is 5 rows, so we need 4.5 done, but if you can see it, great. The connection spot, and because we're going to add another box, we immediately have to go to your next empty one to slip stitch to begin a new box. And we know that there is a total of 4 loops that make up this one, so let's start collecting. And the back loop is the 4th one on the next box to connect, and pull through 2s all the way. Okay, so you're just going to climb up your last row. It's only 4 rows tall. I had to open the studio door. There was a fly bothering me. And it's Thanksgiving weekend this weekend of 2025. So we're coming all the way. I can't build up anymore. Okay, so this is only 4 rows tall, so I see 3.5 now, and I do a bind off. And do the connection spot, and then that's it. Okay, so don't move on to the top of the first one because you're not building up any more boxes. That's where you're going to end this one, and we have our final box to do.